Today I will start previous year's eigenvalues problems in CSIR NET examination. I will go to one problem. Consider a matrix M is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Now you will find the eigenvalues of this matrix. Already you know the columns or rows are same. The eigenvalues are zeros up to n minus 1 comma trace. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. Now n is what? N is equal to 3. Trace is what? This is the trace. Trace is now lambda is equal to 0, 3 minus 1 comma trace 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now 3 minus 1 is 2, 0, 2 zeros comma trace is what? 3. The eigenvalues of above matrix is 0 0 3. Now you will find the exponential of m. E for m is equal to 1 plus m fact 1 r unitary matrix. M by you are saying in the matrix form, that's why I plus 1 factorial m square by 2 factorial m cube by 3 factorial up to so on. Already you know e for x is equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial x square by 2 factorial x cube by 3 factorial. This is here 1, here I means unitary matrix. Now you write the exponential form in matrix. Okay, now already you know m is equal to what? 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, now you will find the m square. You will get 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. You will take a common 3. You will get 3 into 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. This is the m. Now m square you will write m square is equal to 3m. Okay, now you will find the m cube. M cube is equal to, you will find the m cube, you will get 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9. Now you will take a common 9. You will get 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Now you can write the 9 can written as a 3 square. This can be written as a m. Means you get m cube is equal to 3 square m. Now we will substituting m value, m square value, m cube value in the E4m value. E4m. E4m in exponential of m. E4m is equal to I plus I plus I plus m by 1 factorial. Okay. M square means what? 3m by 2 factorial. M cube what? 3 square m by 3 factorial up to so on. Now you will I plus you will take m by 3 is common. There is a no 3. That's why you can write 3 plus this is a 3 square by 2 factorial. Now 3 cube by 3 factorial up to so on. Now I will write this equation. I will add 1 1 1 plus 3 3 square by 2 factorial 3 cube by 3 factorial up to so on. I will subtract minus 1. Why? I will add 1 here. I will subtract minus 1 here. Now you will write this one like a I plus m by 3 1 plus 3 by 1 factorial. 1 factorial value 1 3 square by 2 factorial 3 cube by 3 factorial up to so on. This is minus 1. Now you will write this like this is e power 3, like it is like a e for x formula. E for x is equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial x square by 2 factorial x cube by 3 factorial, like this. X is x here, x here 3. Okay, now I is equal to, sorry, I plus m by 3, I plus m by 3. This is the e power 3 minus 1. Now e for m value is equal to I plus m by 3 into e power 3 minus 1. This is the answer, exponential of m. Now we will go to another problem. Okay, a matrix, a 3 by 3 matrix, M has a trace of M is equal to 6, trace of M square is equal to 26, trace of M cube is equal to 90. Which of the following can be possible set of eigenvalues of M? Okay, already you know trace means sum of the eigenvalues. Sum of the eigenvalue is equal to trace. Now you can trace of m is equal to what? 6. Okay, first option A, trace means eigenvalue 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 4. 6. This is also right. And go to B option, minus 1, 0 plus 7. This is also 6, right answer. And go through C, minus 1 plus 3 plus 4, 6. This is also right. And go through D option, 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is also 6. Now you will go to trace of m square is equal to 26. Option 1. 1 square, 1 square, 4 square. Now you will get 18. Okay, next second option, 1 square, 0 square, 7 square. You will get 50. This is the wrong answer. This is the wrong answer. Now you will go to third option. 1 square, 3 square, 4 square. Now you will get 26. This is the right answer. Now we'll go to fourth option. 4, 4 plus 4. 2 square means 4. 2 square means 4. 2 square means 4. You get 12. Means option is, third option is right answer. Okay, now you will go to another problem. That is, the eigenvalue of matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9. Now you will find the eigenvalue of this matrix. A is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 6, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9. This is the matrix. Okay, now you will divide with 2 of second row. You will get 1, 2, 3. Now you will divide third row with 3. You will get 1, 2, 3. Okay, means here rows, rows and columns are identical. Identical. Now already you know trick, zeros up to n minus 1 comma trace. This is the 3 by 3 matrix, means n is what? 3. 0 so on, 3 minus 1. Trace means what? This is the trace, 1 plus 4 plus 9. Now we will write 0 up to 2 comma 14, means 2 zeros, 0 comma 0 comma 14. This is the fourth option is the right answer. Now we'll Now you will go to another problem. A 2 by 2 matrix. A has a eigenvalues e power iota pi by 5 and e power iota pi by 6, the smallest value of n such that a power n is equal to I. He given a 2 by 2 matrix A, its eigenvalues e power iota pi by 5, comma, e power iota pi by 6. Also he given a power n is equal to I, means a power n is equal to I. Already you know product of eigenvalues is equal to det of that matrix. The matrix. Now, you already I told you, for example, A for M is the matrix. Its eigenvalues are like that. A for lambda 1 whole for M, lambda 1 whole for M, and lambda 2 whole for M, and lambda 3 whole for M, up to so on. This point, what I am saying, the product of eigenvalues is equal to det of the matrix, that matrix. And for example, A4M matrix, its eigenvalues like lambda 1 whole for M, comma, lambda 2 whole for M, lambda 3 whole for M. Using two formulas, now you will solve this problem. Okay, what is given? Now you will find the A matrix, its eigenvalues e power iota pi by 5, comma, e power iota pi by 6. Now you will find the eigenvalues of A power n. It can be changed like I pi n by 5, comma, e power I iota pi n by 6. Already you know a product of eigenvalues is equal to det of matrix. Means this is the eigenvalues. The product of eigenvalues is equal to det of this matrix. Now you will write the e power iota pi n by 5 into e power iota pi n by 6. Now you will solve, you get iota pi n by 5 plus iota pi n by 6. Now you will solve, you get e power iota 11 n by 11 n by 30. Okay, already you know a for n is equal to 1. A for n is equal to I. Now you will find the det of a for n, and this left right side det of I. Det of I is unity matrix. This is the 3 by 3 unity matrix. Det of this one you get 1. Now I det of this one is what? Unity. Okay, a for n is equal to unity. Okay, now when you will get e power 2 pi iota m is equal to cos 2 pi m plus I sine 2 pi m. Now cos any, sorry, sine any pi 0, but cos even pi value 1, means e power 2 I m to e power 2 pi iota m is equal to 1. Now 1 place is replaced by this value. Okay, now I will, sorry, now I I will say what you get, e power iota 11n by 30 is equal to, means a for n is equal to I. A for that of a for n is equal, you get this one. I is equal to what? This is the 1. That of I is equal to 1. Now you will replace e power 2 pi I m. Now both sides are equating, you get iota 11n by 30 is equal to 2 pi m. Pi, here also pi is there. Here also pi, here also pi is there. Now into pi, pi cancel, you get I also cancel, you get 11 by 30 into n is equal to 2m. Now n by m is equal to 2 into 30 by 11. You get n by m is equal to 60 by 11. Means n value what? N is equal to 60. This is the answer. Which option is correct? Option C is the correct. Okay. Now I will give another problem. Find the find the eigenvalues of eigenvalues of eigenvalues of m is equal to 0, 2i, 3i, minus 2i, 0, 6i, minus 3i, minus 6i, 0. This question given in CSIR net examination and to June 2014. Okay, already I will, this formula shortcut 0 plus or minus root over a mod square plus b mod square plus c mod square. Means here 0 plus or minus 2 iota whole square, 3 iota whole square plus 6 iota whole square. Lambda is equal to 0 plus or minus 4, 4, 36 root over 4 plus 4 plus 36. Sorry, this is a 9, 9, sorry. 3 square means 9. Now you will get 0 plus or minus 40 plus 9. You get lambda is equal to 0 plus or minus root 49. Lambda is equal to 0 comma plus or minus 7. Now you will write minus 7 comma 0 comma 7. This is the answer of the this matrix. Okay. Now I will complete all the previous years problems based on the eigenvalue problems.